Hi! In front of me is Cubot R19, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Firstly, open Play Store, tap on the search bar and type in Magic Fluids. Then you need to install this free app from this developer and open it. Now you need to click on those three lines at the bottom right corner and select Settings. Then select I accept and adjust your wallpaper in those settings however you wish to. When you're ready, click at the top right corner and bottom one again. This time select Set as Live Wallpaper, tap on Set Wallpaper at the top right corner. And now when I go back, I can see that my wallpaper has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!